Hello there, this is me Seethal and welcome to IELTS with Seethal. Today we are going to discuss about some of the latest part 1 speaking questions, tiredness and sunny days. So let's get started. So let's begin. The first topic is tiredness. So we shall be looking at some of the questions related to tiredness, and the red color indicates the interesting vocabularies that I've used in each of the questions, and we'll discuss each of those words at the end of each questions. So the first question is, what things make you tired? I feel exhausted when I have to do some repetitive tasks or when I have to attend some boring lectures. Sometimes I'll get tired after a long journey. So in this answer, the vocabularies that I've used are exhausted, which means the synonym of the word tired. And also the second one is repetitive, which means some of the monotonous or tedious jobs. And the third one is boring lectures. Okay, so these are the vocabularies that I've used in this answer. Question number 2. What do you do when you feel tired? Whenever my mood goes down, I'll probably take a nap or listen to some music which will refresh me again. Another thing I usually do when I'm lethargic is taking a hot water shower. So here the vocabularies used are mood goes down, take a nap, and lethargic. Lethargic meaning tiresome. Question number 3. Who do you prefer to talk to when you feel mentally tired, families or friends? To be totally honest, I'd like to sit by myself alone with my thoughts. But if I have to give an answer, I'd say it would be my family to talk to, because they know me more than my friends. Furthermore, I could share my true feelings and secrets with them. So here, alone with my thoughts is a phrase that is an interesting phrase, and furthermore is a linking word. So try to always use linking words to make your answer much more interesting. So question number 4. Do you want to talk to strangers when you feel mentally tired? Not really. I don't think talking to a stranger could help me if the problem is inside. Talking to a stranger about my problem seems to be a false escape from the reality. I'd rather look deeper into myself to resolve it. So here the vocabularies used are a false escape, which means a temporary escape from the reality. A look deeper into myself. Reality means a state in which the things actually exists. And then resolve means to settle or find a solution to a problem. So let's get into the second topic, which is sun. Okay, so question number 1. Do you like sunny days? Oh yes, for sure. Sunny day is the best weather out there. So of course I do love sunshine. There are just so many things that I can do when it's sunny. Okay, question number 2. What do you like to do when it's sunny day? I definitely like to spend it outside. I'll usually call my friends to hang out with them or perhaps to catch a flick. The next thing I like to do when it's sunny is to do some personal errands, such as going to the mall or buy some groceries at the market. So here the vocabularies used are to catch a flick, which is a phrase, and the meaning is to watch a movie. It's more like a slang. Then personal errands means a short journey to collect something. And groceries means items of food. Question number 3. Are there many sunny days in your hometown? I live in the southern part of India, particularly in Kerala, which has a tropical climate where we have long summers. The good thing here is that it indeed rains during the month of June to September, but the rest of the year is all sunny. Vocabularies. The good thing here is that which is a linking phrase. And then indeed means to be sure. And question number 4. Are there any technologies with sun in nowadays? Yes, definitely. As sun is our major source of energy, we can utilize its energy through technology. Say for example the solar panels, which could be established on rooftops so as to provide electricity and can help you save money as you no longer need to pay for electrical bill. So here the linking phrases used are which could be and so as to. So whenever you are using these answers, always try to use appropriate pronunciations and intonations so as to get a 7 or higher. Okay guys, so that's all from me today, and let's see in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, please click the like button and also the notification bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I am putting new videos.